Hey guys, Neon Fox here, and today we're going to be playing Car Simulator 2. I don't know what Car Simulator 2 is, but I heard it's a good game. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. Allow Car Simulator 2 to access photos and media on your device. Why do you want that? Why do you want that? Okay, oh yeah. Definitely gonna turn that down because I kind of want you guys to hear me today in this video. Kind of want you guys to hear me. Okay, let's do this. Should I allow this? Yeah, fine, I don't care. OG games. Nice. Except, I don't care. I should have probably read that. It was probably like, do you want to play this game? Hello, in this update, new cars. Brutal Nomad. New location? Hey! I already get an update, and I haven't even played this game before. Okay. Off-road races? Probably not gonna do that. I'm just kidding. I probably will. Parking missions menu or preview. There you go. Car dealership and garage. Oh, I got my own garage. 1,000 coins. Give me that. Yeah, car damage. Definitely want it to be as real as possible. Okay. Oh. Oh man, this sensitivity is so low. Hold up. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's even worse. That's better. Alright. Oh. Still have a golf. Hey. You probably want to see the mini map. I don't know why there's a mini map, but yeah. Here. Oh, that's not. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna put me right here. Right here, guys. Right here. Okay, so. Okay. So, there's lots of things to do. I don't know what, so I'm just gonna start driving. Hey, there's a pink car. Hey, bro. I don't know how to drive this. Watch out! Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Miss? How are you still alive? Hey, what happened? Is my car okay? Is my car okay? I don't know if my car's okay, guys. Let's see how much fuel. Okay, pretty good. Get back in here. Back on the road before the police come. Alright, let's see. On the mini map, it shows there's a lot of stuff this way. U-turn and down. Alright. Oh man. Hey. Hey! Whoa! That's it. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Hey, get out of your car, bro. Get out of your car. Okay. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh, you're lucky my car's okay. The engine's all fine. That's good. Okay. I won't make you pay anything, but just be more careful next time, bro. Delinquent. Hey! I'm trying to back up, you dumb. I saw some smoke from the engine. I don't know though. It could have been my imagination. Since the last video I've made was copyrighted, I am going to turn the music volume all the way up. Okay? I'm going to where everything is. Over here. All the way over. Oh, I'm making my way back? Oh. That taxi driver made me go all the way back. Watch out! Ah, he teleported, don't worry. Drift. Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh. Oh man. I see a little bit of damage there. The engine seems to be fine. Let's go to my garage. I think that's that, right? I'm going to my garage. I don't care if I had to do shortcuts. I'm doing it. I did not see that lake there. I guess I'm not doing that. Shortcuts is not the option. I'm sorry, lady. I almost hit that girl. Alright, it's over here. Ah. Oh. Is this a garage? Hold up. Not a dealership. Hello, good sir. How are you? Doing fine? Yeah, me too. Well, I'm just about to go into the dealership, see what I can do. You know? Okay. Strange. Hey, Aurora. Patrick. Its name is Patrick. 43,000 bucks? I don't have that kind of money. Oh, this opens it. Oh, that's pretty cool. The thing I have right now, it's just a SUV. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this thing is. Again. Okay. Sorry, I'm coughing a lot. I do have a cough. I don't know why, but. Sir? Are you okay? I didn't mean to hit you! Oh god. Oh, he's okay. He's okay. Now he's doing a dance. Oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'm sorry. Don't have my driver's license. You know how it is. I'm just gonna drive along the map to, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Like, literally, there's, man. Literally, there's. Alright, what is the mission kind of protocol thing? What's the mission? There's like missions and stuff in this game. That's what I read. So there's a mission. Okay, let's see all these. Apartment building, garage, gas station, car dealership, workshop, paint service, sound service, car sharing, car shell, car wash, daily challenge, free ride, circuit, sprint, drag race, mafia job, police assignment, cab, parking, escape from the chase. Let's do police assignment. Like, I kind of want to do like a police job. I want to be a cop. Oh, a nice cop. Okay, I am justice. Ready? Going fast. Ah, too slow. Over here. You know, guys, I'm good at driving. Okay, I'm good at driving. See, I was looking at the mini map. Oh. Just go. What, do we actually have to worry about fuel? Oh, no more just dragging around anymore. Watch out, lady! Watch out! Watch out! Is this even a road? I don't even think this is a road. Alright, police assignment, here I come. Ah. I'll probably... Oh, I'm going the wrong way. What is this? Hello? A car just lost? Are you lost? This is just a car. Oh, it's a rent-a-car. I'm out of here. Is there anything in the back? I hate all that. Doesn't look it. Well, I'll have to be seeing you later. Time to go this way. I have to go this way to go to... Oh, it might be too loud for you guys. I have to go this way to go to the police place. What? I don't care that stuffed cheesy bread is here. Let me drive. Yes, I'm not gonna crash. Stuffed cheesy bread is here. And I'm like, what? Did I ask? Chase. Oh, God. Watch out, car. I don't listen to it. Ah, coin. Okay, I'm at the police office, and probably have to activate it with a car. Okay, let's get back in. It's gonna be tough. Oh, didn't want to hit the wall. That's a helicopter, what the heck? Boom. Robbers are trying to escape. Drive to the place where they were spotted and stop them by any means. 15,000 bucks? Ooh. This is my kind of car. Get to the crime scene. I got it. Do I have my sirens? Guys, we have to get to the crime scene. 211. This is Officer John. I'm almost at the crime scene. They're on the run! They're on the run! I need backup! I need backup! Okay. Backup is on the way. Okay. In order to stop the suspect, ram into a strength bar becoming. Where is it? Hey! Oh, this health bar is down. Win race. That was no race.
B2. B13.
It's probably copyrighted. I just got like so much warnings. I'm back in my car. That was pretty fun. Back to the police officers. There's a weird noise outside my window. It's like, I guess the aliens are here. Oh, I have to keep focus. Can't look at my mini map all the time. Okay, now Tokyo Drift. Hey, back to the police offices. Ready. Did I win? Oh, I got $63,000. I can get a new car. Oh God. Accident. Oh shoot. Oh God. Time is limited. We have to get there fast. Go, go, go! It's behind me. Of course, it's behind me. When you get there. Woo! Oh shoot. Oh my God. Oh man. I died. I know it's a free slot. Actually, I can go to the car dealership and get some money to get a car. Or I can go grab the accident. Yeah, I'm going to go do the accident. Because the accident is more important than the car. OG coins. Nice. Hey. Where's the police officers? The police officers, where are they? Where are they? The police officers. Too slow. Okay. Hold up, hold up, hold up. No, wrong way. Okay, back to the police officers. Okay. Okay. hold up, guys. Just hold up. 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had a little snap. Okay, back at the accident. I got this, guys. I got this. No more crashing into lakes. Go, go, go! I did the same thing. Wait, no, I didn't. Go, 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 go. Time to go. Over the bridge. Sorry, time sensitive. Oh, go, 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 go. We need to go. All right. Drunk driving. Not good at all. Okay. Oh. How hard are those trees? Okay. I'm back once again. Okay, I think that's enough for the police missions, right? I am, not retiring from police. I'm just going to, Okay, I had to move somewhere else since, stuff was going on upstairs. I don't know what stuff, but stuff. Yeah. It's fine, I like it down here too. Watch out! Just kidding. It's the auto market? Ew. They had a lot of neon lights in there. Okay. Do I want to join the mafia? Like, what the heck? Okay. Now, we're going to Tokyo Drift this. Into the wall, of course. And we're going to not hit those people. And we're going to... We're here. The auto shop. I have 83,000 bucks. Or $83 and something else. I don't know. It's fine. Hello. Ooh. Look at this. The DMO. The demon. Oh. 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 Ah. Oh. I see. I can't buy any of these. I can test drive them. I can buy the Ironclad or the Jeep. But in natural money. I'm out of here. You're too expensive. Of course. She's too expensive, guys. Of course. Let's see this one over here. We probably have better sales and better pitches and stuff. She's been unlocked. Destroyer. The auto shop. Ah. Just got photobombed. Huh? Did you hear that guy? Huh? You hit me? What? What happened? Okay. Boom. Watch out! Whoa! Oh, this is that guy. Wow. Here we are. Car looks fine. Ah. Hello. Are you serious? Ah. The Albatross. No. I can't buy that either. That? Jesus. The Talia. No. I have that. The Sprinter. And the Warrior. Huh. Let's go to the roller coaster. Yeah. Before we go back to the garage. Roller coaster, roller coaster. Roller coaster. Roller coaster, roller coaster. Huh? Where's the entrance? Hold up. You have to find the entrance to this place. For some reason, every time I hit an NPC in this game, it literally makes them intelligent. So that's why I keep on doing it. It's like, oh, intelligent boost, number 30. Here we are. What's this booth? Ticket booth? Hold up, hold up. Let's go. Tickets. I see. It's fake. Oh, what is this? Now that's a ride and a half. Hold up. Over here, watch this, ready? Ready? Oh man. Intelligent. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That wasn't that fun. Hold up. Ready? 3, 2, go, 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 go. 56 right. Oh, hit the wall. Are you serious? Go, 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 go. 50, 50, 50. Get up. Fine, I'm out of here. Bye. My house. In the middle of the woods. No, this isn't my house. Ah, you can buy a house. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hold on. Let me find a house. Kind of want to live in this. Oh, this is a big map. Hold up. A big, big map. Want to live in the city. Close to the police station. Right here. What is that? The villa? I think I'm... No. Right here. So I need to go back and follow the dirt path. And follow the dirt path, guys. We're following the dirt path. Intelligent. We're following the dirt path. Da, da, da. Gotta follow the dirt path. And we turn here. We got that. Whoa. Make it. Make it. Oh. Almost crashed there. Too slow. Shut up. Holy heck. $0? Oh. I see. Yeah. I see. Wait. It's supposed to be water. I'm out of here. I'm going to my garage. I'm going to do a police job. Oh. I don't have a fuel canister.
What outfit on high-rise fits my PMS mood?
I hate ads. Oh man. Here we go. There you go. Bye. Shoot. What? I don't think they added any ragdoll movements to this game just yet. They added just... Oh. Whew. I'm glad that just slightly hit me. Like, okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's hurry. Let's make this... Shoot. Brakes. Here we go. Here we go. Back to my job. I'm working night shift today, guys. Night shift. Yeah. Get to the crime scene. It's over here. Let's go. Get into the crime scene now. Let's chase. Oh, I shouldn't do that road, right? I don't think so. Maybe. I don't know. Might be. Boom. Got him. Under my eyes. Okay, well, I guess I have to go, since everybody's yelling my name. I'm out of fuel. Guys, I'll have to stop this video here. My legs are broken. Can't feel them. Yeah. I hope you have a good night. Like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.